This was something interesting that I found inside of your account. When you go to meetings, you go down and you can see that we can save time scheduling your meetings directly from your calendar. And so I'm going to click on download. It's going to take me to the Chrome web store where I can download what's called Zoom Scheduler. And it's got a ton of people using it, obviously, so this looks good. I'm going to add it to Chrome, add the extension. It's been added to Chrome. And now I should be able to go into my calendar, and when I create a meeting, if I want to go from 11:30 to 1, I can add a title. But if I look at down here, I can make it a Zoom meeting now. And so if I make this a Zoom meeting, it gives me the link that I need for that meeting and generates the code for it. The only thing that I would need to do is, if I wanted to edit the event, is add my guest list to this event. But now I don't even have to go into Zoom anymore to create the actual meeting. That Google Chrome extension helps me to create Zoom meetings now directly from my calendar.